Hey there, health-conscious foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring 3 BlendJet recipes for weight loss. So let's get started. Wait, before starting BlendJet recipes video, we introduce you with BioFit Fat Burner, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 3, Tropical Paradise Smoothie. We're starting with a tropical paradise smoothie that will transport your taste buds to a sunny destination. In your BlendJet, add frozen pineapple chunks, frozen mango chunks, coconut milk, a banana, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, and honey or agave nectar for extra sweetness if desired. Blend until creamy and smooth. It's a tropical delight that's perfect for a refreshing treat. Recipe 2, Berry Protein Shake. Let's move on to a berry protein shake that's not only tasty but also protein-rich to keep you fueled. In your BlendJet, add a handful of mixed berries, a scoop of Greek yogurt, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, almond milk, or any milk of your choice, and honey or agave nectar for sweetness if desired. You can also add ice cubes for thickness and chill. Blend until smooth. It's a delicious and protein-packed shake that's perfect for post-workout recovery or a quick meal replacement. Join countless satisfied customers who have embraced BioFeed as part of their wellness journey. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 1, Green Detox Smoothie. Let's wrap up with a green detox smoothie that's not only refreshing but also packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. In your BlendJet, add a handful of spinach leaves, kale leaves, chopped cucumber, sliced green apple, a squeeze of lemon juice, minced fresh ginger, chia seeds, and water or coconut water to reach your desired consistency. You can also add ice cubes for extra chilliness. Blend until smooth. It's a revitalizing and nutrient-packed smoothie that's perfect for a morning boost. Click the link below the description to visit website and enjoy discount on your order of BioFit. But act quickly, as this offer is available for a limited time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay tuned.